24 ounces of cheese. There's my trash knife. My trash knife. Used specifically for opening packages. Shred your own cheese. It's better if you shred your own cheese. Tastes better, it's more gooey. You know, cheese. Not a single piece goes to waste. There we go. Big bowl of cheese. This right here is just 8 ounces of mozzarella. This is for a future recipe coming up. It's got the cheese grater out. Don't want to have to wash it twice. Might as well shred everything I have. Now if you want that gooey melt factor, use mozzarella. Some green bell peppers. Grocery store I get these from, they're really tiny. Usually, I know like at other grocery stores are like twice as big, but these are small. They come like in a pack of 3. So I'm gonna use all 3. I'm gonna wash them. My big stupid knife. I've seen these guys cut many different ways. I like to cut the top off and then just chop the bits up like this. That way you use just about all the pepper. Now all I have is left is just this little piece of the stem. Go away. Cut out the little seed parts, whatever this part is called on the inside. I don't know if it's like a vein or whatever. I'm just making up words, but you know, the seeds and all the chunky white stuff on the inside. Stuff, I said stuff. All that chunky white stuff. That looks pretty just like that. Oh yeah, big boy, where are you? Yeah! Prep this pot with some olive oil. I don't mind if these are a little chunky because they shrink when I cook them. Look how green that is. A little dark. Well, yeah, let's do it. I was debating on whether doing this one or not, but what else am I gonna use it for? It's just gonna go back. Yeah, throw it in. It'll make the enchilada casserole that much thicker. All right, so the storage on my camera got full and the video shut off, but all you missed was me chopping up some onions, those 2 onions. It turned out to be a lot, so what I did was I took like 3 handfuls out. Honestly, it looks like it's still a lot, so I'm gonna take some more out. There we go, that should be good. Enough to like cover the bottom of this big pot. Now for the ground beef. I've got, I'm doing can you see that? A little blurry, there we go. 85/15, and this is 2.5 pounds. Now don't just take this stringy bullshit and throw it in there. You gotta mush it. You don't want it to look all stringy and weird. You gotta get your hands in there. Get it look dirty, man. Come on. Yeah. Get that bottom part too. You gotta turn it around. Oh no, I dropped a little piece of meat on the stove.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Nice and mushified. Get this out of here. Let's cook these veggies. Okay, starting to sizzle. Yeah. Move around a little bit. All right, let's get this beef in here. Time to beef. Let's beef it up. Oh yeah. Look at it go. I got this little guy. I love this thing. It's like specifically for ground beef to like chop it up. and it works great. This also works good for like mashed potatoes too, this utensil. We're gonna cook this meat all the way through. Yum dum dum. I'm gonna crack open these cans of Old El Paso red enchilada sauce. This is 10 ounces. I've got 3 cans of this. I'm gonna crack these open. One of these days I'm gonna make my own enchilada sauce. I just don't know how right now. Mix this up before I do that. Chop it up again. Yeah, I probably could have gotten away with onions and green pepper, all the stuff, all the parts that I took out. It probably would have been fine. It looked like a lot. But this right here is a pretty good ratio. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh, hot pot, hot pot. I like to get that 85, what is it, 85-15, because there's a little less grease. So I don't necessarily have to drain it. Normally when you add like taco seasoning, which I'm gonna put in here, it asks for some water, but if you have enough like grease, and especially the red enchilada sauce that I'm gonna put in afterwards, it's good. It'll be fine. Ow. Oh, Cody's calling me. Oh, hello. How's it going? I love me some ground beef. It's so easy to cook. I wish I could tell you how much taco seasoning, but you know.
Like,
oh, I thought you just said that and you were done. She just went, Nicholas.
tell me when.
Mix it up, see how it looks. Oh yeah, a lot more. Yeah. Enough to where it looks like it's Taco Bell meat.
I'm gonna use the rest of this, Emma.
Yeah, do it. Might as well. Dump it all in. I got a video showing how to make more!
I know that you're gonna do a voiceover for this, but I feel like I'm not allowed to talk.
No, you can talk. The last one I didn't do a voiceover. I was just talking because I was doing it. So this is staying in. You guys know Felicia from Cursed Caravan podcast?
Okay, I'm gonna put the lid back on.
Can you turn the heat on?
Yeah, to what?
Just like medium. I'm gonna pour the enchilada sauce in there too.
Oh, all 3? Just pour them in?
Yeah. This is the first time I've done it like this. Usually I'll put the meat on and then oh, you turned on the wrong burner. That little one in the back was going. I remember my first time cooking.
Stop ruining your video.
Stop ruining my video!
Remember, if you accidentally turn on the wrong burner, just use your third arm to fix the problem when you grab your can.
Ooh, saucy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like I was saying, I used to just sprinkle the meat and then pour the sauce on top. I'm like, that's stupid. Just might as well mix it all like this. And then use a big old soup spoon.
Good?
Yeah. Thank you, Felicia.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks.
You can just throw those in the sink. So I'm gonna rinse them out. Sorry. Yeah, there's shit everywhere.
Sorry. So sorry. I was really angry.
I know, he's so handsome.
Biggie
He's
boy.
such a sweet boy. Big podcast.
Oh yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. Now just a little bit of salt. Okay, we're gonna move over to the casserole dish. Big old casserole dish. Gonna line it with some olive oil spray. Oh, I'm running out. Uh-oh. Alrighty, time for the fun part. Corn tortillas! I like getting the red corn tortillas, but I didn't want to go to a whole different grocery store, so we're settling with yellow. Just a random question. Do you like tacos with corn tortillas or flour tortillas? Let me know in those comments. Okay. I'll lay these babies out. Let's see, how many are in here? 30. Quick math. Don't care. Just lay them out like this. 1, 2, we'll do 4. Yeah, 4 looks good. Kitty, stop it! Yeah, okay. Oh, that's delicious looking. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, before I forget, set the oven for, I don't know, 375. For that big bowl of cheese from earlier. Gonna get our little soup spoony guy right here. Okay, that's 2 ladles. We'll do 3. 1 right down the middle. Yeah. It's gonna be kind of like a Mexican lasagna, the way it's set up. Throw that delicious cheese down. Ooh. Let's see, 1, 2, 2.5, probably about 3 pinches, handfuls. How many layers are we doing? Let's see, there's 8 on each one. Got enough for like 2.5 layers. Let's lay these guys down. Do the same process. I'm telling you, that taco seasoning, that's the secret weapon. Maybe a little more, maybe a little more. Not an exact science. I'm gonna use up all the corn tortillas because here's my answer. Screw that, eating them with tacos. The only time I like a corn tortilla is like this, as an enchilada. I don't know, they just taste like plastic. Or just feels like plastic in my mouth. I don't like it. There's my opinion, feel free to share yours. I can take it, I'm a big boy. There's a little bit left. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more here. And just put a little bit on top. I know it's a lot of cheese. I don't do cheese in every episode. I don't think I don't think I did cheese in the one before. The garlic parmesan chicken? No, there was no cheese. No. Nope, garlic parmesan. No, garlic butter. Clearly parmesan is a cheese. It was garlic butter chicken. That one didn't have cheese. I don't know, man. Cheese is just awesome. How many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, well that works. 6. There we go. Yeah, this is a little different because I don't know if it was on camera or not, but usually I like to do this. I've done the sauce separately and then sprinkle the meat, but I don't really see. Oh, the oven's ready. I don't really see the point in that. That's why I just added the meat with the sauce. Probably should have saved more cheese, but oh well, it'll be fine. Right? Yeah, probably. We'll see. I don't know. Look at that beauty. Looks delicious. In the oven we go. I'm gonna say 45 minutes. We'll check it in 45 minutes. Perfect. Oh my God. Oh, look here. Wowee. That looks awesome. Bringing it closer, bringing it closer. Yeah. Okay. Now, should I let it cool down or should I chop it up? I never know. I don't know if I should just let it cool before I cut it up or just chop it up right now. I'm gonna get a plate. How hungry am I? Do a little chunk, we'll do right here. Okay, that cuts nicely, that's good. The one thing I'm worried about, I hope that the exposed part of this corn tortilla is not too crispy and chewy. It's probably fine, but if I had a gripe, maybe that's it. Like I said, probably fine. We're about to find out. Ooh! Yummy! Oh, that looks awesome. I'm gonna spread it out. It'll cool better if I spread it out. Oh yeah. Take it back, I don't regret a thing. That looks awesome. Is it too hot? Probably. I don't care, I'm kind of hungry. Yeah, it's a little crispy. That's okay. I'll try the crispy part first. Here we go. No, it's not bad. Totally fine. Now for the middle part I've been waiting for. Oh yeah. Cheesy. Oh yeah, that works. That is great. You know, it'd be awesome. I don't have any, but get a plate like this and then put some sour cream on top. A little dabble of sour cream or some guacamole. It's so cheesy. Would I do anything different? I would probably make it spicy, but not everybody likes spicy food. Other than that, this is solid. Really good. Well, thank you for watching. Let me know if you try this. Let me know if you do anything different or not. And please, please hit that subscribe and like it and share it with your friends. As you can see, as of this recording, I only have like 9 subscribers, but new channel, that's how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna finish eating this and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna grab a pen, it's looking kinda bland. Chop, chop, sizzle, make it taste grand. Spices on the counter like a marching band. The fridge door swings, I've got a plan. Fix it up, mess it up, clean it all.
Oh, I think it's funny.